an exciting video for you today. These are the very first units of the Kawasaki Ninja 400 which have landed in India and are going to be delivered tomorrow to the potential customers. Now this bike costs rupees 5,76,000 on road Mumbai. So that is an expensive motorcycle, and this is slotting in between the Kawasaki Ninja 650 and the Ninja 300. So let's give you a quick walk around and what are the features of this Ninja 400. If we have to tell you, we actually like this styling much more than the Ninja 650 because in this avatar, it is sharper than ever. Although the Ninja 400 is expensive, it is expected to attract a lot more younger buyers because of its sharper styling. Now let's take a quick look at the features. You have full LED lightings over here, then you have alloy wheels and a single front petrol disc brake. Obviously you have a dual channel ABS system. At the front you have 41mm telescopic forks, not upside down forks, but that's okay. Then you have the split seats which are typical of a superbike styling. It looks good. Pillion seat doesn't have that much room, but you have these very chunky grab rails which actually look a little ugly to us. And then who can forget the oversized barbecue grill, which actually is a sari guard here in India. Then coming to the side, you have a nice chunky exhaust system for the motorcycle. Looks okay, looks like what the Ninja 300 has, but a little bigger in proportions. Of course, then at the end, you again have a petrol disc brake, and at the back, you have LED tail lamps, similar to what you've seen on the Elite Class Ninja. Talking about the specifications, the Ninja 400 is powered by a 399cc liquid-cooled parallel twin motor which produces 49 PS of power at 10,000 RPM and 38 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM. This bike obviously comes with a slipper clutch. It also has dual channel ABS like we mentioned before. Then when you are riding a motorcycle, you have a digital plus analog speedo console which looks not very futuristic, but it's up to the mark, nothing to be complained about. So what do you think? We really like it. If you look at the overall proportions, the bike does feel a lot more sportier than the Ninja 300. Obviously it is an upgrade. It comes at a cost, but you know what? Some people want it, some people don't. And to whoever has the money, this is a good deal. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Ninja 400. Do you like it? Do you think the price is justified? Would you buy it? And on a parting note, let us give you the exhaust note of this motorcycle. As you can hear, the bike feels super smooth, super refined, typical of a Kawasaki. Let's rev the motor a little because this is new, we won't overkill it. Let's also quickly show you the speedo console of the motorcycle. Here you can see you have gear position indicator as well in the center. You also have shift lights, an analog tachometer and a digital speedometer. See you people, till next time, ride safe, stay tuned to the Shifting Gears channel. If you haven't subscribed till now, please do so and hit that bell icon. Till next time, always wear your helmet.